So when you look at the work that goes into producing property truth across an entire market, what would you say is genuinely out of reach for a carrier to do in-house? And what does that tell us about the build versus buy line and where it really sits today?
One of the first places that I would look is just doing the compute, right? Processing the entire country for this data or an entire geography for this data takes a lot of compute. And what we've done to mitigate that is, gone out and bought our own compute. So we have the latest generation NVIDIA Blackwell 300 servers, AI servers that we're running our analysis on. That is really what opens up the gates for us to be able to pre-process and reprocess the entire United States on a quarterly basis. And, does a carrier want to get into the compute game and the server game and all of that? That's just the physical hardware to be able to keep a data set like this up to date, right? If you're doing it in the cloud, your cloud costs are going to be astronomical. And if you're using, kind of the standard LLMs that are out there, if you're using Anthropic to try and process this level of data, your costs, you might as well have, hire an army of underwriters to do the work if you're going to be spending that type of money, right?